Well, there you have it. There's my YouTube opening. They told me that if you're going to have a YouTube channel, you need an opening intro that's good. I hope that was good. I'm not going to put a whole lot more time into it. They also said that you need a welcome video for your YouTube channel. So that's what this is. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clark Brown with Restoration Advisors. And I don't know that I'm going to do this very well. I'm probably going to take a look back at this in a year, 2 years and say, oh my gosh, that was my first attempt. But I don't care. I'm not going to have a fancy background. I'm not going to have a whole studio. I'm not going to have a whole bunch of frills. I'm going to have a limited editing. I'm just going to have conversations about the thing that I know, restoration, disaster, business. I'm a business coach in the restoration market. And we're going to talk about things that aren't taught in classes. I'm a big proponent that our industry has a lot of certifications, but the education on how to run a business of restoration is where a lot of people are lacking. And a lot of things don't occur. Your dreams, your wishes, your goals don't happen because of some structural issues. So we're going to have some conversations on this channel about those things. We're going to talk about fires. We're going to talk about water damage and mold and equipment. I probably have some guests on from time to time. I know a lot of people in the industry. We probably have some topical issues. I also have a podcast that's starting up, so there's going to be some crossover. But I'm wanting this channel to be real easy for those that like to digest through video. And that's what I understand, that some people are going to be more audio and some are going to be video. I hope that you find either format useful. I'm not trying to grow a massive audience. I'm not trying to be superstar on YouTube. I'm not really trying to do a whole lot other than the one thing that I always do, which was just serve this industry. I am passionate about restoration. I'm passionate about the people that are in it, that love what they do and trying to do better. And I'm passionate the fact that I've been afforded the opportunity to learn from some of the best and have my own companies and grow them and sell them and understand from 10,000 feet where we are probably missing the mark on some places. I don't know everything. I just know some things. So if you like someone who doesn't go with the flow, that won't be political, but I might say some things you don't agree with. And for those, I can't wait to hear what you say back. Take care. Bye.